Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into one of the most legendary names in American trucking, the Peterbilt 389 Semi-Truck 2026. A machine that doesn't just move freight, it carries tradition, power, and pride on every mile of the highway. The moment you see the 2026 Peterbilt 389, you understand why this truck has an almost cult-like following. That long hood, the bold chrome grille, the classic round headlights, its old-school attitude blended with modern muscle. Peterbilt didn't try to reinvent the 389, and that's exactly why truckers love it. Instead, they refined what already works, making it stronger, smarter, and more comfortable than ever before. Under the hood is where the real story begins. The 2026 Peterbilt 389 continues to offer industry-leading engine options, including the PACCAR MX-13 and the Cummins X-15, delivering up to 605 horsepower and massive torque that you can feel the second you press the throttle. This truck is built for heavy hauling, steep grades, and long-distance runs where reliability matters more than anything else. Whether you're pulling a fully loaded flatbed or a refrigerated trailer across states, the 389 stays confident, stable, and powerful. On the road, the driving experience is pure authority. The long wheelbase gives the truck excellent straight-line stability, while updated suspension tuning improves ride quality compared to earlier models. The steering feels solid and predictable, and even at highway speeds, the truck feels planted. Peterbilt has also refined the transmission options, offering both manual and automated transmissions that shift smoother and respond faster, reducing driver fatigue over long hauls. Step inside the cab, and you'll notice how much attention has gone into comfort. The 2026 interior keeps the classic feel but adds modern upgrades where they matter most. Premium seats with improved lumbar support, better insulation to reduce road noise, and a redesigned dashboard that puts controls exactly where drivers want them. The digital display integrates seamlessly with traditional gauges, giving you real-time performance data without losing that iconic analog look. For long-haul drivers, the sleeper cab is a major highlight. The Peterbilt 389 2026 offers a spacious sleeper with more storage, better lighting, and improved climate control. The mattress quality has been upgraded, making rest stops more comfortable, and smart power management systems help reduce idle time while keeping electronics running. This truck isn't just built to drive, it's built to live in. Technology has also taken a big step forward. The 2026 model includes advanced safety features like lane departure warning, collision mitigation, adaptive cruise control, and improved braking systems. These features don't take away from the raw trucking experience, they enhance it by making long hours on the road safer and less stressful. Peterbilt understands that safety and tradition can exist side by side. Fuel efficiency has been improved as well, thanks to aerodynamic tweaks, engine optimization, and smarter drivetrain technology. While the 389 will never be the most aerodynamic truck on the road, Peterbilt has managed to reduce fuel consumption without compromising its iconic design, something many thought was impossible. In the end, the Peterbilt 389 Semi-Truck 2026 isn't just a truck, it's a statement. It's for drivers who respect trucking history but still demand modern performance, comfort, and technology.